Learn English daily.
Hey Morgan, I can't believe it's been so long since we last met. How have you been?
Hi, Alex. I know, right? Time really flew by. I've been doing great. I'll have finished my studies by next month.
That's fantastic to hear. What about that job you always wanted? Have you found it?
Yes, I have. I'll have started working at the tech company downtown before graduating. I'll have been preparing for it all these years.
That's impressive, Morgan. And what about your travel plans? Weren't you planning a big trip?
Oh, absolutely. By this time next year, I'll have traveled to at least 5 different countries. I'll have been saving up and planning it meticulously.
You're living the dream. By the way, remember Sarah's wedding. It's coming up soon. Will you be able to make it?
Of course I will. I'll have already RSVP'd. By the time the wedding takes place, I'll have known Sarah for over a decade.
Time really does fly. And what about your new apartment? Have you settled into it?
Yes, I have. By next week, I'll have been living there for 6 months. It's been such a cozy place, and I'll have decorated it just the way I wanted.
I'm glad to hear everything is falling into place for you. By the way, do you think you'll have finally learned how to play the guitar by our next meetup?
Haha, I hope so. I'll have been taking lessons, so I should be able to play a few tunes by then.
Can't wait to hear you play. It's amazing how much can change in a short time. I'm really happy for you, Morgan.
Thanks, Alex. It's been a journey, that's for sure. And hey, how about you? What will you have accomplished by our next meeting?
Well, I'll have started a new job in marketing, and I'll have been working on a novel for the past few months. Let's catch up again soon and share our stories.
Definitely. Let's make sure we meet up more often from now on. It's always inspiring to hear about each other's future achievements.
Liam, I can't believe our adventure is just around the corner. By this time next week, we'll have boarded the plane to the mountains.
I know, Emma. It's so exciting. By the time we reach the summit, we'll have hiked for days and taken in some breathtaking views.
And think about the friends we'll have made during the trip. We'll have shared stories around the campfire and created memories for a lifetime.
Absolutely. By the end of the trip, we'll have forged friendships that will last long after we return. Either way, have you packed all the gear?
Almost done. By tomorrow, I'll have gathered all the equipment we need, and I'll have double-checked the supplies list.
Great job, Emma. And speaking of preparation, by the time we start our journey, I'll have learned some basic phrases of the local language.
That's impressive, Liam. By the time we explore the villages, you'll have been our main communicator with the locals.
I hope so. And by the time we're back, we'll have captured stunning photos to remember every moment. I'll have been practicing my photography skills.
Your photos will be amazing, Liam. By the end of the trip, we'll have filled our travel journals with experiences, sketches, and thoughts.
I can't wait to read your journal, Emma. By the time we return, we'll have grown as individuals, having faced challenges and embraced the beauty of nature.
And by our next adventure, we'll have reminisced about this trip countless times. It'll be a memory that we'll cherish forever.
Indeed, Emma. By that time, we'll have planned even more exciting journeys and shared dreams of exploring new horizons.
It's going to be an unforgettable journey, Liam. By this time next month, we'll have stories to tell that will inspire others to embark on their own adventures.
Here's to the future and the incredible experiences it holds for us, Emma.